Alright, I'm going to do a quick little update video on the Duramax. Haven't done a whole lot to it the last couple months. The one thing I have done is I put new upper control arms on it because they were in need of replacing. And then also, I did get a old pappy cap for the bed, so I have a cap. The only thing about the cap, it's a Lear, it's great. It's just not paint match. I use it a lot. But I do have one thing today that I'm hoping to install, and it's nothing crazy, but it's an exhaust tip. Right now I have MBRP, and it's like a 4 to 7 inch. It's just like your typical 14-inch long tip. But what I got that definitely will make the rear end look very clean and clean it up a little bit is I got a polished side exit. So the way that the exhaust is now, it kind of exit the truck at a 45, and the way that this tip is, it'll be 90. So it's like a polished elbow. Yeah, so it looks really good, and I think it's going to add like just a clean look to the truck, because right now the exhaust tips on it is a little corroded, and I've polished it a few times, and it's fairly old. I don't know how long it's been on the truck, but it needs replaced. For the price of this exhaust elbow, it's kind of a no-brainer. It's not very expensive. So it just clamps onto the end, and it's a 4 to 6 inch elbow, and it's like a 90 degrees. So it looks really good, nice and shiny, all polished up. So I'm actually on the way to Lowe's because I need to get some more propane for a torch, because the exhaust tip is pretty corroded on there. I took the clamp off and it's not wanting to come off, so I figure a little PV blaster and heat will do the trick. This is what we're dealing with. It's actually a bigger tip than I thought as far as the diameter. I guess this is so it'll kind of look something like this, but up higher. We'll get it adjusted. But the first thing is I gotta get this thing off. I have a feeling it's not gonna be quick or easy. Should have gotten it loose. Yeah, there. Get the old grinder out. It's never a good day when you have to get the grinder out, but yeah, this thing was like corroded on. Please fit. Yeah. Does that look stupid? No, it looks sick. Closer to the tire a little bit. Maybe I can do some adjusting. Oh, it's so close. Yeah. Oh, it fits. No, that's for sure. I'm gonna cut it back to about right here. That's actually, I have cut through it already. see where we're at now.
Something about like that.
All right, I got this thing on. I might have to adjust it a little bit. It looks like it's ever so slightly tilted up from this angle. But when you stand behind it, it doesn't look like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and see if there's any difference in the tone of exhaust or anything. Yeah, so I got everything installed. Like I said, I might fine tune the angle of that a little bit, but looks great. I love it. Beautiful. Now it just needs a nice clean.